Maybe you see one of my videos, or maybe other creator or something, or any sports person. Maybe you see Ronaldo, maybe you see Messi or something, and they these kind of people inspire you to change life, inspire you to have this new habit, inspire you to dress in a certain way, inspire you to have this new habit. And some of you will actually take the step, because I know a lot of you guys are really motivated to take action, which I really love about you guys. Some of them are not, but most of you, I know you are like that. When you change that, people will not approve that. People will not appreciate it. They will say it as a cringe. Why are you trying that new thing? They will never accept the change in you, because people are not habitual of those things, right? They just want to see the older version of you. In that situation, right? Let's give you an example, right? If you're a guy and your hairline is receding or something like this, now you think you just want to take that bold look, like bald and everything. But when you do that, other people will not really look the way actually you were or something. Like, they will say, hey, you look shit or something like this. Maybe even they, if they tell you about or not, but it will definitely look weird. This is one example I'm telling. There could be several more example like this in other parts of the world, in other parts of your career, life, or whatever you can say. So in that situation, how you can do is you totally need to cut off everybody, have a new place, new city or something like this. Go there, have a new work or something. There, when you become a new, like, there is something called stranger's eye. A stranger's eye always sees the best in you. A new person will see your bald look for the first time. They don't have nothing to compare. That is the best for them. When you actually go, people will accept you the way you have been shown to them in the first impression, and they will carry that personality. For me, lot more time when I change school or my college or something, a new workplace, I always try to come up with the new thing which I want to do, and people accept it. New people definitely accept that personality. And once you are comfortable at the environment, once you are secure about the things, when you have made friends, people are okay with that thing, then you can actually come back to your old environment and assimilate with people, and you are totally secured. You know how to deal with that kind of thing, right? You already became confident or something, but first initial few days you will not able to do that. So you really need to change your workplace environment or whatever. Go there, have that change on you. New people will definitely accept you what you are, and then again assimilate back to your society or something. And through that process, you will learn so much about the confidence. You will learn so much about your insecurities or something, and you will have the tools. But as a growing up person, you don't have that tools. But once you get that tool, that confidence, you can deal with anything. That is how you change your life. Do let me know if you have a better way to do things. I'm not saying that, oh, you have to take big step and change the whole world for this tiny thing. No, these tiny things makes lot of cascading effect in your life. So sometimes these tiny steps has to be taken seriously, and you have to invest a lot to get that change.